Hi there! Are you facing trouble with activating your plugin or the API not connecting to your WordPress site? There are steps you can do to help us identify the error and provide a faster solution for you. You can identify the error in any of the browsers, such as Apple Safari, Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and Mozilla Firefox. For Google Chrome, go to Developer Tools under More Tools. Now click on Console and you will find the reason for the error of your site. If you ever reach out to our support team, you can mention the error you are able to see from this console. To identify the error for Safari, click on Preferences under Safari. Now click on Advanced and then click on the option for Show Desktop menu in Menu Bar. Now under the Develop tab, click on Show JavaScript Console. Now you should be able to find any issue by looking at the console for the Safari browser. For Microsoft Edge, go to More Tools and Developers Tools. The Console tab will display the error if there is a connection issue with Wemail. Now you will be able to see any issues for your Microsoft Edge browser. If you are using Mozilla Firefox, then simply click on More Tools and then click on Browser Console. So if you're not sure why your site is not able to connect with Wemail, you can check the console of your browser and contact our support team if you need any help. For more information on email marketing for your WordPress site, be sure to check out getwemail.io and subscribe to our channel.